Hello friends, in this video I am going to explain how they invented Vedic mathematics multiplication, and I am also going to give you some tips to solve hard multiplication problems in a very short duration. Now for example, let us take a two-digit number 57 and another two-digit number 63. So usually when we multiply, what happens here is we first multiply 7 and 3 and we write 21. Then we multiply 5 and 3 and 6 and 7. We then add them. 5 into 3 is 15. 6 into 7 is 42. 15 plus 42 is 57. Then we multiply 5 and 6. We write 30. So see here, I am leaving some blanks here. I will explain why in the later section of this video. We just add these values. We get 3591. So this is one of the simplest methods that can be used to multiply two-digit numbers. So in this video we will be seeing how this particular method was invented, on what basics or what concept were used to find out this method, and we will also see how to apply this method into larger numbers to get the answer. So I am going to take the same numbers 57 and 63. I can write that as 50 plus 7 into 60 plus 3. So this can be further expanded as 50 into 60 plus 50 into 3 plus 7 into 60 plus 7 into 3. So 3000 plus 150 plus 420 plus 21. Now if you see, when I multiply 50 and 60, I will definitely get two zeros. There is one zeros. Here there is one zero, here there is one zero, so I will definitely get two zeros at the end. Here in this product there is only one zero at the end, so I will definitely get one. In this product I have one zero, I will definitely get one zero. This is separately considered as a group where I get at least two zeros at the end. This is separately considered as another group where I get exactly 1 0. Here this is considered as another group where it is considered as a group which has no zeros at all. So 3000, 150 and 420 is a separate group, 21 is a separate group. Okay, 3000 is a separate group, 150 plus 420 is a group, and 21 is a group. I add them, I get 3591. Now 57 can be written as 50 and 7, 63 can be written as 60 and 3. Now 50 into 60, it will give two zeros, so we are considering it as one group. 50 into 3 plus 60 into 7, it will give 1 0. Both of them will give 1 0, so we are considering them as another group. 7 into 3 does not give any 0, so we consider that as a different group. Now the same process, 7 into 3 is 21, we are writing like this. Then we are multiplying 5 into 3 and 7 into 6. It is actually 50 into 3, which is 150, 60 into 7, which is 420. So when you add, you get 570. Earlier I was leaving a blank here. It is actually 0. The value 0 will be present at that place. Now when you multiply 5 and 6, you get 30, which is actually 50 into 60, which is 3000. So earlier we had two blanks here. Now instead of those blanks, zeros are kept here. Okay, so when you add, you get 3591. Let's take another example, 123 into 456. This can be written as 100 plus 20 plus 3 and 400 plus 50 plus 6. Now when you multiply 100 and 400, you will get 4 zeros at the end. This will be kept as one group. 100 into 50 will give 3 zeros. Similarly, 400 into 20 will give 3 zeros. So 100 into 50 plus 400 into 20 is kept as another group. So to get 4 zeros, what we do is we multiply this 1 and this 4. To get 3 zeros, we multiply 1 into 5, 2 into 4, and we add them, right? 100 into 6 will give 2 zeros, 20 into 50 will give 2 zeros, 3 into 400 will give 2 zeros. So the next group is 1 into 6 plus 2 into 5 plus 3 into 4. Similarly, to get 2 zeros, sorry, just 1 0. 20 into 6 will give 1 0. 50 into 3 will give 1 0. So this is the next set that we should consider. 2 into 6, 5 into 3. To get no zeros, we have to multiply the unit digit of each number, 3 and 6. Now basically what happens here is 1 into 4 we multiply, we write 4. 1 into 5 plus 4 into 2. 5 plus 8 is 13. We write 3 and 1 is the carryover for the previous number. Next, to get the two zeros, 1 into 6 plus 2 into 5 plus 3 into 4. 6 plus 10 plus 12 is 28. We write 8 here and 2 as carryover for the previous number. To get 1 0, 2 into 6 plus 5 into 3. 2 into 6 is 12, 5 into 3 is 15, 12 plus 15 is 27. We write 7 here and 2 as carryover here. And to get 1 0, 3 into 6 we have to multiply, that is 18. 8 we write here and 1 as the carryover. Now we have two rows, we have to add them. 8, we can write it as 8. 1 plus 7 is 8. 2 plus 8 is 10. 0 will be here and 1 will be carryover here. And 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. 1 plus 4 is 5. So the product of 123 and 456 is 56,088. Let us take one example. 1, 2, 3, 4 multiplied with 5, 6, 7, 8. When I multiply 1 and 5, I will get 6 zeros. So this should be my first step. So 1 into 5 is 5. Now when I multiply 1 and 6 and 2 and 5, I get 5 zeros. So this should be the second set that I am using. So 1 into 6 plus 2 into 5. 1 into 6 is 6, 2 into 5 is 10. So 6 plus 10 is 16. So I have to write this as 16 like this. Now when I multiply 1 and 7, I get 4 zeros. Or if I multiply 2 and 6, I get 4 zeros. If I multiply 3 and 5, I will get 4 zeros. This should be my next set. So what I'm going to do here is, I'm going to multiply 1 and 7, I get 7. 2 and 6 is 12. 7 plus 12 is 19. And 3 and 5 is 15. 19 plus 15 is 34. So I write 34 like this. Now if I multiply 1 and 8, I get 3 zeros. Or if I multiply 2 and 7, I get 3 zeros. If I multiply 3 and 6, I get 3 zeros. Or if I multiply 4 and 5, I get 3 zeros. So all this has to be considered as the next set. So 1 into 8 is 8. 2 into 7 is 14. So 1 into 8 is 8. 2 into 7 is 14. 8 plus 14 is 22. 3 into 6 is 18. That is 22 plus 18 is 40. 4 into 5 is 20. 40 plus 20 is 60. So I write 60 like this. Now I have to consider having two zeros now. So 2 into 8 will give 2 zeros. 3 into 7 will give 2 zeros. 4 into 6 will give 2 zeros. So I have to consider these as the next set. 2 into 8 is 16. 3 into 7 is 21. 16 plus 21 is 37. 37 plus 4 into 6 is 24. 37 plus 24 is 61. So I have to write 61 like this. Now I have to consider for 1 0. That is 3 into 8 will give 1 0. 4 into 7 will give 1 0. 3 8s are 24. 4 7s are 28. 24 plus 28 is 52. I write 52 like this. I have to consider no zeros. For that I have to consider 4 and 8. 4 into 8 is 32. So I write 32 like this. Now I have to add these values. 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 0 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. 0 here and 1 carryover. 1 plus 3 plus 6 is 10. So 0 and 1 carryover. 1 plus 1 plus 5 is 7. So the product of 1, 2, 3, 4 cross 5678 is 7006652. Let us see another example now. In this example, I am taking this value 643 into 79. Now, when I multiply 6 and 7, I get 42. I write 42 like this. Now 6 into 9 will give 2 zeros. 4 into 7 will give 2 zeros. So I have to consider this as another set. So 6 into 9 is 54. 4 into 7 is 28. 54 plus 28 is 82. I write 8 here and 2 here. Now I need to consider for 1 0. So 4 into 9 and 7 into 3. 4 into 9 is 36, 7 into 3 is 21. 36 plus 21 is 57. I write 57 like this. Finally, I have to consider no zeros, that is 3 into 9, which is 27. I write 27 like this. So 7, 9, 7, 10, 5. 50797 is the product of 643 and 79. Let us take one more example and see how much time we will take to solve this particular multiplication. So I am going to take some random numbers here. 6, 9, 3, 1, 2 multiplied with 47. Now 6 into 4 is 24. 6 into 7 plus 4 into 9. That is 42 plus 36 is 78. 9 into 7, 63 plus 12 is 75. 3 into 7, 21 plus 4 is 25. 1 into 7 plus 2 into 4 is 15. 2 into 7 is 14. So when I add this, I get 4, 6, 6, 7, 15, 1 carryover. 1 plus 7 plus 4 is 12. 1 carryover 3. 3, 2, 5, 7, 6, 6, 4 is the product of these two numbers. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, please click on the like button and please share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. I am Prabhu. If you have any doubts, please post it in the comments.